The Pioneer Woman Mercantile is located in Pawhuska, Oklahoma. That's in the northeastern part of the state. It's about 1 hour north of Tulsa and about 2 hours and 15 minutes northeast of Oklahoma City. For those of you who don't know, Ree Drummond is a popular blogger called the Pioneer Woman, who in 2011 turned into a Food Network star and has new episodes still going today. That is over 13 years on the network. She is my favorite Food Network star, and since we had a surprising change of route on our way home from Alaska, my husband surprised me with a stopover at her restaurant. We went on a Tuesday in August, but it is good to note that they are closed every Sunday, which is good because everybody deserves a day of rest. So make sure you check out their hours of operation to make sure when you're visiting that they are open. I know they open at 8 a.m. every day, but sometimes they close at 3, sometimes they close at 5, sometimes they close at 7. So just check their schedule before visiting. First, we toured their general store, which was beautifully decorated and had anything you wanted for your home, for your kitchen. It had clothes, it had kids' toys. It just had a little bit of everything. It was a really beautiful shop. Then we headed upstairs, which you can also take the elevator up to their bakery, where we got a mid-afternoon snack and I got some iced coffee, which was really good. One thing you can also do here is you can drive to the Drummond Ranch and view their lodge. This is where Ree films all of her shows. They don't live in here. This is just for filming and for where they keep guests and have parties, but you have to get your ticket from the Mercantile. So when you go there, they'll hand you directions. It's free to go. It's a 30-minute drive outside of the Mercantile. So you're 30 minutes there. And we just didn't have enough time that day. I wish we did, but we still had quite a few hours to get to our hotel that night. But for the future, I would love to go back there and view the lodge where she films all the shows. Our last stop and our most important stop is their restaurant. Is her food as good as what it looks like on TV? Well, just a reminder, the restaurant is in the same building as the bakery and the Mercantile, so it's all right there together. Well, first off, it's a beautifully decorated restaurant. I love the basket weaved lights hanging, the chandeliers. The mirrored walls make it look bigger than it is, but it's still a big space, can hold a lot of people. Luckily, we didn't have a wait the day we went. I read that you could have a couple hour wait, which is fine. You have plenty of time to shop in their shop and walk around the town, but we didn't have any wait. Their staff was unbelievably nice. Everybody was just so friendly and helpful. And their food. We first started off with their olive cheese bread, which was amazing. My one son got the tomato soup with grilled cheese dippers. He really enjoyed it. My other son got the chicken parmesan. My husband got the chicken pot pie. And I got their spicy Dr. Pepper pork, which was over cheesy grits. And let me just tell you, this food was top notch. They don't cut corners. The price is right. It just tastes amazing. It's just a wonderful restaurant and a great little shop, bakery. If you're ever in the area, I would highly recommend stopping by. If you like this video, make sure you check out our exploring hometown in Laurel, Mississippi, where we check out Ben and Erin's shops and we tour the town of Laurel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And until next time, adventures are out there. Are you? Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.